will multiply large numbers by 11, 12 or even 13 without using a calculator in the mind. So let me begin with the example. So suppose if I have 1, 2 and 3 and I want to multiply by 11. So how will I do this? So in that case what I'll do is first I'll just take the last terms. So I'll say 1 and then I'll say 3 here, and then I'll add 1 and 2 together. So if I add 1 and 2 together, that will be equal to 3, and then I'll add 2 and 3 together, that will be equal to 5. So my answer will be equal to 1353. Again, how did I do this? So my first digit is same as the first digit we have here. My second digit will be equal to 1 plus 2, which is first digit plus second digit. My third digit will be equal to second digit plus third digit, and the last will be equal to the last digit plus 0, because we have nothing else left. So that will be equal to 1, 3, 5, 3. So that's my answer, 1353. Again, how will I do the same for 12? So if I have 1, 2, 3 and I want to multiply by 12. So here what will I do is I'll first take the first digit. So first digit we have 1, so I'll just write a 1 here. Then we have another digit. So for this, to calculate the second digit of our answer, we'll take the first digit and multiply by 2 and then add 2 into it. So what I did here is I multiplied this by 2 and then I added 2 into it. So that will give me 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2, 4. Then for calculating the third digit of the answer, I'll do 2 into 2 plus 3, that will be equal to 7. So I multiply this by 2 and then I add it into the 3, so that will be equal to 7. And then for the last digit I'll take multiply the last digit by 2. So if I multiply this by 2, so 3 into 2 plus 0, so that will be equal to 6. So the answer will be equal to 1476. So basically I am multiplying each digit by 2 and then I'm adding the next digit into it. So let's go to another example and multiply by 13. So if I have 1, 2, 3 and I want to multiply by 13, in this case I'll do the same way. First digit will be equal to first digit, the second will be 1 into 3 plus 2, and third will be equal to 2 into 3 plus 3, and then on we have 3 into 3 plus 0. So if you look here, I multiplied all the numbers by 3. Here I multiplied all the numbers by 2, and here I did not do any multiplication because it was 1. So if I add these numbers, it will be 5, 9 and 9. So the answer will be equal to 1599. So that's how I'll multiply any number by 11, 12 or 13. So let's do another example. If I have 1, 2, 3, 1, I have to multiply by 11. So the first digit will be equal to 1, second will be equal to 1 plus 2, third will be equal to 2 plus 3, and fourth will be equal to 3 plus 1, and then we are left with the fifth, which is equal to 1. So the answer will be equal to 1, 3, 5, 4, 1. So answer is 1 3 5 4 1. Again, if I have 1 2 3 1 and I want to multiply by 12, here we have 1, then we have 1 into 2 plus 2, that's, then we have 2 into 2 plus 3, 3 into 2 plus 1, and 1 into 2. So that will give me 4. This will give me 7, 7, 2. So answer is 14772. Again, if I have to multiply by 13, then the answer will be equal to 1 into 3 plus 2, 1 2 into 3 plus 3, 3 into 3 plus 1, and 1 into 3. So that will give me 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 3 9, and if you look here, it will be 3 into 3 is 9 plus 1 10. So here we have 10 and here we'll have 3. So in this case we have to be careful because there is a carryover, so we have to write 3. Then here we'll write 0 because we have 10 here, so 1 will go to the 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10 again, so we'll have one more 0. It will go to the 5, so it will be 6, and then it's 1. So answer is 16003. So that will be our answer. So I hope this trick will be helpful, and I'll see you in the next trick.